Kiss me like you love me for life, even if it's only one night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on some new Makeup Revolution products. I bought quite a few Revolution products, but today I'm going to be testing out the skin products, and then I'm going to do another video on full face using Revolution. So today I'm going to start with just the skin. A lot of you have been requesting this video, so obviously I had to come through for the crew. And today I have the Revolution Flawless Skin Base Foundation. I'm living for this packaging though. And I also have the Conceal and Define concealers, and this is of course been absolutely hyped on the internet, and I've been meaning to get some for the longest time, like for months now. But in my local Superdrug there's 50 shades of beige, 50 shades of translucent, 50 shades of Casper the Friendly Ghost, so it wasn't really working out. But finally I managed to get some online, and so today I have two concealers in C13 and C12, and they look like this. I've been using Revolution makeup for ages now. You guys know that I absolutely love the highlight. I use their setting spray as well, so I'm already obsessed with Revolution. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how these are gonna work on my skin tone. Hopefully I've got the right shades, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with pinning back my hair because I really do not have time. Okay, so we're gonna start on my face. I'm so nervous. I'm actually kind of nervous. I'm gonna start off with the foundation, of course. So I'm going to start off with this Fast Base foundation stick in the colour F16. This is only £5, and it's a cream foundation stick that is supposed to be dewy finish. So that's going to be interesting because I don't really use cream foundation sticks at all. So I'm just going to open it up. First of all, the packaging. Living. It's matte and it's got like a rose gold, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's super cute. They have 18 shades. In general, that's quite a good color range, especially for the drugstore, and they also have different undertones. So I'm really happy. Like, I'm really proud of Revolution. They're literally killing it right now. F16, I feel like hopefully this will be the perfect shade for me. I don't know. This is how much you get in the stick. Let me roll it all the way up. I'm gonna start half of my face with a brush, half my face with a sponge as per usual, and seeing which one works best. I'm gonna start this side with a brush. I'm gonna start on this side with a brush. So that is the shade. That is pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that because that's quite a good, that is a good match. It looks like it might be a bit warm for me in the deeper spectrum. Like there's a bit of a jump with the undertones, but to be honest, I'm not complaining. £5, can you even get a bag of crisps with that anymore? Like, so yes, for this shade match. So I'm gonna, these foundations are medium and buildable, so let me try and build on it a little bit. But come through color match. It is a tiny bit too warm for me, I'm not gonna lie, like in person. But I'm sure that we can just correct that with some concealer. What are you guys saying about this? What are you guys saying about this color match though? Color match, come through color match. Yo, this is good. This is good. And the coverage is really good as well. They're right about being buildable and definitely dewy. It's not a matte finish, which I'm surprised about. Being a foundation stick, I'm used to like I normally hear about matte foundation sticks, but this is quite dewy, which is nice, especially because it's summer soon. Like, you want that glow, you want your melanin to be on glow, you know what I'm saying? So this color match, nobody can tell me nothing about this color match. Here for it, living for it. So on the other side, I'm going to go in with a Clean Beauty blender from Real Techniques. Oh, come and see that blendability. honey, yes, we appreciate you. Come through. You're welcome to the dinner table. That blend, but that blend though. Clearly Revolution, I'm not playing any games, Revolution. Okay. I do think, I'm not gonna lie, the blendability, amazing. It's really creamy and blendable. The finish, I feel like for a foundation, I personally like matte foundations, but if you guys are into dewy foundations, then this is for you. Living. Okay, that's what we're working with. It looks like skin. It really does look like skin. It doesn't look like foundation. It doesn't look cakey. If this was my skin tone, you'd literally think that this is my second skin. Like, I was born this way. I came out the womb with just flawless skin. So I'm going to move on to the concealers. I bought two because I feel like the C13 and the C12, I have a bit of a gap. My highlight shade would be somewhere in the middle. Like a LA Pro Girl Fawn would be right in the middle of these two. So yeah, I'm sure they're going to be expanding their shade ranges though. So I'm really excited to try this because I've been dying to try the Shape Tape, but after the little scandal, I'm not really vibesing with them. So I'm super excited because this is apparently a really high coverage concealer, and you already know mama is here for the high coverage. Like, if I could use paint as a concealer, I would, because that is the kind of coverage that I'm really here for. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm going to start with C13, which is the bit of the warmer shade, and just I'm going to swatch these on the back of my hand. I really like this derm applicator as well. I don't have anything, I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm going to just swatch. That is C13 and this is C12. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a gap, a bit of a big gap in between these colors. So I'm going to be using this to start with, and then to just brighten up the under eye highlight, I'm going to be using C12. So let's get it. Okay, so C13, my under eye. As you can see, it's not the brightest highlight, but the coverage is looking good. I'm going to blend this in with my sponge, as I always do with concealers. It dries really quickly, by the way, which is good. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay, let's continue, because this is beautiful. This is no exaggeration. Like, when I first put it on, it was like, okay, liquid, but once you blend this thing in, sis, wait, no, once you blend this in, do you know when I said that dewy foundations kind of bring out my pores? Right now, ain't no pore, B. Like, ain't no pores to be seen on my face, on my under eyes right now. Living for this. What do you mean? My bags, my under eyes, snatched. Look at the difference. Like, all the darkness evaporated, disintegrated. Wow. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go in on the other side. I'm living for this. Living! And then I'm just gonna go in the middle as well. Bro, I'm gonna buy. Okay. Okay. This is what we're doing in 2018. Okay. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Revolution ain't playing games in 2018. Not in 2018. 2017, okay. Okay, they were cooking, they were scheming. But 2018, they came for blood, sis. It's definitely got rid of the warmness in my foundation as well. So now I feel like this is a beautiful, beautiful base. Like, my skin looks like a baby skin. So it's only right that we now go in with the C12 just for that extra highlight under my eyes. And I'm just going to quickly blend that in. I feel like it dries quite quickly, so definitely work quickly. Oof. Moment of silence for the snatch. honestly, like, I feel like I can leave my house like this. I don't even really need to set it because it dried so quickly as well. I really feel like this is the kind of concealer that you need minimal setting. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty foundation. Like, when I use it under my eyes as a concealer, this is what this reminds me of. Like, it feel like it doesn't need setting, but of course I'm gonna set it anyway. My skin looks like I drink water, exercising daily, like, mind my business. This is what my skin is giving me. My skin is really giving me a lot today. Well, this Revolution foundation is giving me a lot, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set under my eyes, my nose, basically everywhere that I put that concealer, so it sets all day. If you wanted to see me using a full face using Revolution, which I definitely am after this a video, then make sure you subscribe because I'll be filming that quite soon. But for now, I'm just gonna contour with my normal routine. No, what in the world is going on? Like, I mean, to be honest with you, I had high expectations, I'm not gonna lie, because I've watched Holly Boon's, I've watched Shantania's, and I saw that obviously it was amazing. Like, I kind of did have expectations, but testing out for myself, this is another level. This is another level. So wow, I'm very impressed, because I don't really like contouring with a dark shade on my nose. I'm just going to be using the foundation stick, and this is actually really nice to contour with because it's already precise. So I'm going to go in with the rest of my foundation, my rest of my makeup, and then I'll BRB. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. Are you guys here for it? So as a roundup, the Revolution foundation definitely gets a yes from me. Like, it looks beautiful on the skin. It's not too cakey, it looks like skin. It complements, the concealers complement it so well as well. And even though the shade ranges are a bit jumpy towards the darker side, you can always neutralize that out with the concealers for sure. These concealers are amazing. They make my pores are diminished, they're deceased. Like, where they at though, for real. So I highly recommend Makeup Revolution products. Guys, go out and get them. They're literally, the foundation was £5, the concealers are £4. Absolutely amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna go about my day. I'm gonna come back and see how well they wear. It's currently 5:32 and we're gonna see you in a couple of hours. Oh, Revolution, you did that. You did that. Hey guys, I'm gonna keep it short and cute because it's currently 1:20 AM. I got home quite a while ago, but I literally just forgot to record and I was about to take my makeup off, but God reminded me. Like 7 hours later, so basically, like, what's my hair doing? I haven't touched my makeup whatsoever. I haven't done any touch-ups. I haven't even dabbed it with my hands. No blotting. So as you can see, this makeup, this foundation clearly holds up. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm shook. I don't even have oil around my nose, my T-zone, which just normally oils up. Usually, like, it definitely usually oils up. And I'm surprised because this is supposed to be like a dewy foundation, so I'm not receiving any kind of oil, sis. Like, ain't no bacon being fried on my face. On the camera, it looks a bit shiny around my nose, but in real life, I literally have no shine, like no shine whatsoever. It's crazy. Anyway, definitely go out and buy that foundation. It's amazing, and especially I highly recommend the highlight, especially the Revolution. Amazing. Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more reviews, more first impressions, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.